Here I have Samsung Galaxy M1 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your phone application, then tap here. Tap on these three dots here, then go to the settings, and then to the block numbers. You can block unknown colors, like all the numbers from the unidentifiable numbers, or you can just add the number manually. Just enter it here, then tap on this plus icon, and this number will be blocked and never bother you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.